Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to push the code from local to GitHub. Steps involved in this process are like we need to download the Git, and second thing we need to create an account in GitHub, or if you have a existing account you can log in into that GitHub account. Third, you need to create a new Angular application using a VS Code, or you can create any application from other tools as well. And fourth, we are going to push that code from that local to the GitHub. So we'll see the step by step. So first, we are going to download the Git. So we'll you can go to any browser and type download Git. In this, navigate to this site. So based on your system configuration, you can download based on that. Mine is mine. I'm using a Windows operating system, so I'll navigate to Windows. In this, I'm using 64-bit, so you can download based on this configuration. After downloading it, uh, after downloading it, you need to install this Git application into your local system. This is the first process you need to do. Then we need to log in into our GitHub account. GitHub login. If you have an if you have a all account, means you can sign in, or otherwise you can create a new account. So I have already have an account, so I'm signing in into a GitHub. Yeah. So after signing in, I already have created two repositories in my account. I'll show how to create a new repository. Click on new. So in this you we can give a repository name, so where you are going to push the code. So I'm giving Angular test. Description is option. So I'm going to keep this repository repository as public, so anyone can view this site repository, or anyone can clone from their local. Okay. Click on create repository, so my repository will get created. So this is the second step. Okay, so then we are going to create an Angular application. Third step is we are going to create an Angular application, or you can create any application from other tools as well, like a Visual Studio or other tools as well. So I'm going to create an Angular application using a VS Code. I'm switching to the command prompt. So ng new. This is the command to create a new Angular application. Ng new. So keep application name as test push. Style sheet I'm choosing CSS. I am disabling the server side rendering. These are all common process only for creating an app. This would take some time to install the packages. Wait for some time. So after installing, what you are going to do, like we are going to push this code from local to the GitHub repository. So this is the new repository which we created, Angular-test. So in this repository, we are going to push our code. Okay, our test push application has been created. So I'll navigate to that folder. Yeah, successfully created. So I'll choose that folder. So here, okay, now you can see the path. So I have been navigated to this test push application. Going to switch into command prompt. Then, so you need to follow these steps one by one. So after creating a repository, you will be given with a set of commands to push the code. So we'll follow one by one. So I'll also give these commands in description as well for your purpose. So git init. This is the first command which you are going to give. So it will initialize git. So then we are going to add. So here they have added only readme.md file. Uh, so in our application we are going to add all. We are going to push all the files. So in order to do that, we need to include all the files. So dot git git space add space dot, it will include all the files from this folder structure. Then we need to give the commit message. So I'm giving a commit message as first test push. Then git branch hyphen m main. Then I'm going to add the repository name which I'm going to push this code. Then finally we are going to push our code into this main branch of this repository. You could see, right, it has been successfully pushed into this Angular-test repository. So we'll navigate to the GitHub and we'll refresh this repository and we'll see whether a code has been pushed or not. Yes. So you could see, no, like all the files, so all the folder structure has been pushed into the newly created repositories. This way you can This way you can create a new repository and push the code from local to GitHub. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thanks.